Good morning, my friends. I want to take you on a little tour through our baby food forest. Doesn't this look mature? 17 months ago, there was nothing here but sand. And now we have 230 different types of food growing. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? Look at the grapes coming in. And the sugar cane and the cranberry hibiscus and the regular hibiscus. And look at the butterfly. Boom. And there's a strawberry tree, a Jamaican cherry tree. There's some pineapple guava and some taro and some comfrey. There's some Mexican sunflower and some Cuban oregano. Some more taro, more hibiscus. There's some ginger. Look at this ginger flower. Look at this beautiful flower here. It smells amazing here. There's some more taro, some bananas, some canna lily. We harvested our first pineapple right here a couple weeks ago. The animals got about half of it. All right, look at all the bananas coming in. Look at them all. Isn't that amazing? And look in this area. We have so many different types of basils and garlics and mints and lemongrass. Oh, look at this banana batch came down. Got a little windy last night and boom, that one came down. That's okay. We'll harvest those and we'll make some green banana salsa. They actually do green banana picadillo and ceviche. Look at this area. Isn't this so loaded with beautiful? These are sweet potato leaves. There's some wild fennel and multiple different types of citrus and curry leaf. There's some papaya back there. This is longevity spinach, living salad bar all over the place, butterflies and bees and birds, and so much life is attracted to this area. There's turmeric, a bunch of turmeric, more strawberry trees and papayas, and there's a bunch of grapefruits and different types of citrus and longan and lychee. Here's a mulberry tree. Look at the mulberry. And this is a cherry tree. That's another perennial spinach, a Florida native. There's some squash. This is a fun one. There's a cherry tree with a bunch of cherry tomato vines, and there's a squash in the middle of the cherry tree. Some more mulberries and a lot of legumes. There's a big mulberry, different types. Look at all this stuff. More sugar cane and dragon fruit. A lot of moringa. A lot of these trees are moringa trees. There's some Okinawa spinach. More hibiscus. Dragon fruit trellises are looking good. What is that? What is that? Oh my God. Oh my God, look at that. That is our first dragon fruit flower. I've never seen anything like that. Look at that beautiful thing. Oh my gosh. My friends, you never know what you're gonna find in the Garden of Eden. So let's build these systems all over the world and let's solve all of the world's biggest problems. This is no maintenance. We've done no maintenance here except for trimming the pathway, and we had compost tea once in a while because we started with really bad soil. Everything from there, nature does it. All right? This is the solution to mass extinction and deforestation, to cancer, diabetes and heart disease. This is the solution to ending depression and sickness and disease around the world. Nature, God's AI or God's intelligence, right? There's AI and GI. Let's go with GI, right? AI can be a great tool, but let's go with GI and solve all the world's biggest problems in the garden. Love and have a great day, everybody.